everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a little mini Dia & Co haul. This is my first ever order with Dia & Co and they were so kind to send over these items to me, so thank you to Dia & Co for gifting me these items. I am going to be showing you guys 3 pieces today that I picked up. I got to choose the 3 items that I wanted, so I'm really excited. This was my first time shopping on Dia & Co. I absolutely loved the layout of the website. I thought it was super easy to shop and find everything I needed that fit my fashion and style, and I also found it was really easy to find my sizing as well. So Dia & Co size range is absolutely amazing. It really is inclusive for the plus size community. For myself personally, I am in between sizes right now, so I'm like can fit into straight sizes, but I also can fit into plus size, so I'm right in that sweet spot. And that's what I love about Dia & Co is because they do kind of cater to that sweet spot, which is perfect because being mid-size, sometimes it's really hard to find clothing that fits us, and I like the experience that Dia & Co gives you when shopping and trying out your items before you actually buy them. So I'm going to share with you guys the few little items in my package. I already went ahead and opened up mine because I was just so excited. I'm also going to show you how I style the 3 pieces that I got today. So let's go ahead and get into today's Dia & Co box, and also I will link all the items down below. So this first item is a dress. It's by the brand Socialite Curve. I got everything today in a size 0X or 12. So this is the dress. Now this was giving me all the Thanksgiving Day vibes. It's this beautiful rust orange color wrap style dress, and you can see that it ties here. It has a ribbed material. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. I recently dyed my hair darker, so I know that this is just gonna make the brown tones in my hair and my eyes just really pop. I love these rust color dresses, and I love the quality on this. It's very stretchy and lightweight, so if you wanted to layer a few items on this, you could, and it's so soft, it's so stretchy and comfortable. And again, I got this in a size 0X and it fits perfectly, and I love this, so I am super impressed with the quality. So I am going to show you guys how I would style that. Okay, so this is how I would style my Dia & Co dress, and this is giving me Thanksgiving vibes. I just threw on a hat and I went ahead and put on this dress. So comfortable, you guys, so stretchy. I'm wearing just some thigh-high tan boots paired with my Gucci bag. I'm obsessed with this look. It is just the perfect look for Thanksgiving. If you want something, if you're doing like a Friendsgiving and you guys are dressing up, this is a really good look. So I love this. I love the dress as well. It's so nice. I absolutely love the dress. I think it's so comfortable. It's perfect, like I said, for Thanksgiving, and this is just a quick way to style it. So the next item I have to share with you guys is a bodysuit. This is in a size, it says XXS and /12. This is by the brand City Chic. This is my first ever City Chic item I've ever owned in my closet, and the quality of this bodysuit is out of this world. Like, I don't think I have a bodysuit with better quality than this in my collection now. So it is this beautiful black kind of cutout detail bodysuit. It looks like this. You do get like a little bit of a puffed sleeve. I love the material. It's a nice thick, but yet has a slight stretch into the fabric. I absolutely love this fabric, you guys. You do have your snap closure here, and there's 3 little snap closures, which is perfect. You guys, the cutout detail on this is literally everything. I love a good cutout. I love something like this for the fall and even into the winter. It's just a really good staple, like black bodysuit that everyone needs in their closet. And it also, just having that cutout and those like puffed sleeved, it just kind of elevates the look of just a basic black bodysuit. So this can be paired with skirts, shorts, and like this could be paired with so many things in my closet now, which is what I love about Dia & Co, because a lot of their items are like staple pieces that you can elevate your wardrobe with. So I love this, and I'm definitely going to show you guys how I would style that. The very last item I have to share with you guys is a pair of jeans. Now, I'm always on the hunt to see where I can find my new favorite pair of jeans, and these are by the brand Molly and Isadora. I got these in a size US 12. They are these beautiful jeans in a beautiful dark wash, which I love. They hit right at the ankle. They roll up a little bit, which is perfect to wear with boots. The fabric is thick, but it has a good amount of stretch, which I love a good stretchy pair of jeans. Again, size 12. These are 93% cotton, 5% polyester, and 2% spandex, so that's where you're gonna get your little bit of your stretch. Here is the little label. I love the jeans. I love the wash of these jeans. I don't have anything like this in my jean collection right now. These are the back pockets. I love the little faded kind of look into this style jean. It's just so beautiful. Of these jeans, I'm blown away, honestly. They're very comfortable, they're stretchy, and they hit me at a really good length, which I love. So I absolutely love those jeans, so I'm gonna go ahead and style those jeans for you as well. Okay guys, so we have the bodysuit and the jeans from D.A. & Co. This is me in a look, you guys. This bodysuit, run to D.A. & Co. and get it. This is the most buttery smooth, soft, and comfortable, fit perfectly to my body bodysuit I have tried on in years, you guys. Like, this bodysuit, oh my gosh, I love this little peep action here. It's gorgeous. Look at the puff sleeves. You guys know I love a good puff sleeve. Let me zoom out so you guys can see the jeans. Okay, let me lower this camera. Okay, you guys, look at these jeans. I am obsessed. I went ahead and put on a pair of pumps. The length is absolutely perfect. They have the perfect amount of stretch. They hug my body in all the right places. You guys know I'm apple shaped, so it's really hard for me. Let me brighten this. It's really hard for me to find jeans that not only fit in my waist, but also fit in my legs and my thighs. Obsessed. Oh my gosh, I love this. Put on a hat, I love it. Threw on some gold hoops. I would wear this like a night out in Nashville. Like, obsessed, you guys. So these are how I styled my D.A. & Co. pieces. I'm in love. Let me know which outfit you like more, one or two. These are my new favorite jeans. I'm going to be living in these jeans. They're so good. So that's going to complete everything in my D.A. & Co. box for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more D.A. & Co. unboxing and styling videos, then give this video a huge thumbs up because I would love to do another one for you guys. And in the comments below, out of all the 3 items, let me know which one was your favorite from today's video. Like I said, I do have a 30% off code with you guys. I'll have it linked in the description box as well as annotated here on the screen so you guys can save a little bit of money when shopping. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you to D.A. & Co. for gifting me these items, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. And remember to never stop dreaming. Bye!